Certainly. Here's a healthier version of rice pudding that uses a few substitutions to reduce the overall sugar and calorie content while maintaining flavor. Ingredients: *1/2 cup brown rice, uncooked. 2 cups unsweetened almond milk, or any milk of your choice. 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, adjust to taste. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg. 1/4 cup raisins, optional. 1/4 cup chopped nuts, such as almonds or walnuts, for topping, optional. Instructions: *1. Rinse the rice thoroughly under cold water. 2. In a medium-sized saucepan, combine the rice, almond milk, honey or maple syrup, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and nutmeg. 3. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the saucepan with a lid and let it simmer for about 45–50 minutes, or until the rice is cooked and the mixture has thickened. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. 4. If you're using raisins, add them during the last 10 minutes of cooking to allow them to plump up. 5. Once the rice is cooked and the mixture is creamy, remove it from heat. Taste and adjust sweetness if needed by adding a bit more honey or maple syrup. 6. Allow the pudding to cool slightly. It will thicken further as it cools. 7. If desired, top with chopped nuts for added texture and nutrition. 8. Serve warm or chilled. Notes: Feel free to customize this recipe to your taste. You can add sliced fruits like bananas or berries for extra flavor and nutrients. If you prefer a creamier texture, you can add a bit more milk during cooking. This recipe is easily adaptable for dietary preferences. For example, you can use gluten-free rice if needed. Enjoy your healthier rice pudding.